A galvanometer of resistance 100 ohm is connected in series with 400 ohm and measures up to 10 volt. We need the shunt resistance to make an ammeter up to 10 ampere, written as x times 10 power minus 2 ohm. Let us solve step by step. In the voltmeter arrangement, the galvanometer and the series resistance together have 500 ohm resistance. So the full-scale galvanometer current is 0.02 ampere. At full scale, only 2 volt appears across the galvanometer itself. This same voltage must appear across the shunt when it is connected in parallel. For a 10 ampere ammeter, the galvanometer still takes only 0.02 ampere. The remaining 9.98 ampere must pass through the shunt. Dividing the galvanometer voltage by the shunt current gives about 0.2004 ohm. In the required format, this is about 20.04 times 10 power minus 2 ohm. The required value of x is 20. Correct option B. For more such clear solutions, keep learning with Acharya.